guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It will surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, so this is chapter 226 of When Beauty Meets Beast. Let's start reading. He can deliver babies? Is it true? O diba, duda siya. Kahit naman ako magdududa ako, lalaki. Tapos, parang easy-go-lucky lagi. Though I'm not a witch doctor, people in the feather tribe all come to me when they get sick. I delivered babies for other pregnant women too. Considered me an experienced person. Diba? So, he's not a witch doctor, it's just that he has an experience. So, he's for sure he knows what he's doing, right? She could deliver one month's baby. Relax, don't be nervous. Relax lang, one. Xiaoling, where are you taking one to? Buti nakita sila ni Mushuang. She's going to labor. Inform Sangye. O diba, serious masyadong mukha. Oh, okay. I didn't expect Wanwan to go into labor when Baidi and Shuangyin left. And then, why did he forgot that Wanwan is almost due for giving birth? Well, of course, expect that all those, what happened is beyond their expectations. That's why they forgot about Wanwan being pregnant and the due date and everything. But I hope they could come as soon as Wanwan deliver the babies. We've arrived at the delivery room. Moaning. Oh, poor Wanwan. Her mates is not with her when giving birth to their baby. When I was remodeling the Rock City, I designed a medical room and set up a delivery room. I never thought I would be the first one to use it. At least you're the first one to try it. Oh, it hurts so much. Oh, poor Wanwan. Of course, wala namang masakit talaga na. Wala namang hindi masakit pag nanganganak. Sige, Wanwan. Umiri ka. Open up. Pwede mo naghulat siya. Hey, what are you looking at? Of course, you're giving birth. Ano bang titingnan niya? Ikaw talaga, Wanwan. Don't move. I need to see if your child has come out. What child? What? The child is coming? So, she's still not, hindi pa rin siya naniniwala na manganganak na siya? Ano ba? Hindi pa rin siya makapaniwala, ano? Kasi, inano niya pa rin na parang masakit lang yung tiyan niya. Yun lang. 1 month is too small. Judging by her condition, this delivery will be very dangerous. Oh, sa bagay, ano pa ba? High school lang si 1-1, diba? High school ba? Basta maliit siya. Bata pa din siya. So, alam niya talaga yung ginagawa niya. Kasi alam niya maliit si 1-1 para manganak. So, mahihirapan talaga. Swoosh. What are you doing to 1-1? Ay, ito na naman itong isang sasangye. Manganganak na siya, uy. Protective ka na naman. touch. Sangi, what are you doing? Siyempre, nagpapaanak siya, tapos biglang aatake itong isa. Why are you attacking Xiaoling? I'm checking if her baby has come out. Don't interfere. Isa din itong walang experience. So, dapat hayaan mo si Xiaoling. What? Even him is shocked. Don't be shocked. Manganganak na talaga siya. Wanwan, I brought Sangi here. Oh, kawawa naman yung tsura ni Wanwan. I sent Jiyuan to find Baidi and Shuangyan just now. Hang in there. It hurts so much. I'm scared. Oh, kawawa naman si Wanwan. Kahit ako nung nanganak ako, sakit din talaga. Natakot din ako. Pero, carry naman. Well, to think that it's her first time giving birth in the beast world alone is so terrifying. Alone, kasama mo naman si Sangi ha. Nandyan din si Xiaoling. Sa bagay. Tinuturing niya talagang partner is si Baidi tsaka si Shuangyan. Wanwan, don't be afraid. I'm here. Nandyan naman si Sangi. Do we still have sorching leaf fruit? Searching. That's right, sorching leaf fruit. Hinahanap niya pa. Hindi sila ready kasi because of the war, right? So they're really not ready of Wanwan's sudden labor. Wanwan, I'll give you some sourcing leaf fruit. Para saan ba yan? Nakalimutan ko na para saan yan. This speed up the delivery process. Oh, wawa naman si Wanwan. Parang mahihimatay na siya sa sakit. Don't be afraid. We are here with you. You are not alone. It's like my body is being torn apart. Siyempre, lalabas yung baby. Nag-expand yung body mo. It's natural. The movement in my belly are becoming more and more frequent. The babies must be trying to come out. So you need to push. I have to do my best too. Oh. My body is getting warm, as if there's some kind of power spreading from the center of my body. Oh, okay, so your body is helping you. Maybe because of the seed, right? So your power is helping you. There's a familiar scent of grass and trees. Whoa. What's that sound? Is it the crying sound of the baby? Oh, the first baby is born. Oh. Rustling. Wanwan is giving birth to a baby. Swish. Yan basta nagmamadali. Hurry up. We have to go back quickly. The baby is about to be born. Wanwan, you have to be safe. Natuloy sila. Nataranta tuloy sila. Well, you need to go back fast. Rustling. Pero nakalabas din naman na yung baby. Wanwan. Late na kayo. Nalabas na yung mga babies. Ang tagal niyo. Shh. Wanwan just gave birth. Rustling.
the babies are here. Babies, sumarami. Oh, napaanak niya talaga si Wanwan. 4 little wolves. The largest one is female. They are very healthy. Wolf, so ibig sabihin, si Shuang yun ang ama. Right, this is the end of this story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Bye!
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye!